Pod exclusive.
Everywhere I go, it's like all eyes on me. I'm live tonight. It's like all day we young and reckless. Can't nobody take us down. Look at who's laughing now. Ha 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 ha. We young and reckless.
I knew I'd be a superstar even as a kid, so I said fuck school. Mama mad that I did, but then she changed her mind when I bought her that crib. Swore on my life one day I'll make it big. Stand behind my word, homie, like my ad-libs. When I say it's meant to be, it already is. Rappers all mad when I speak the truth. You think I'm talking to you, nigga, I'm on my Bluetooth. Can't walk in my shoes, each step a commute. A giant when I stride, you little bugs is my new. In 93 Meth said get that cream. Different world now, the doors flip up like a dean. Fresh ass ride, I'm awake when I dream. I think I'm perfect with low self-esteem. Life too short, so I live like Yao Ming. And you should too, free, tell them what we mean.
Everywhere I go, it's like all eyes on me. I'm live tonight. It's like all day we young and reckless. Can't nobody take us down. Look at who's laughing now. Ha 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 ha. We young and reckless.
Guns and necklaces. If you ain't with it, I'll show you where the exit is. We entering the building, y'all exited. Now tell me how many of y'all wanna touch the kid? I rob your man and the man next to him, so they both getting licked like lesbians. There ain't a nigga breathing air that could mess with him. Should we start at the beginning? Well, let's begin. I started in the streets, moving crack like a crack in the concrete. Guns in my arm reach, nigga, I emerged from the dirt like a zombie. Now I got about 5 birds on my armpiece. See, I'm a certified hustler. You a snitch, nigga, you be singing like Usher. Fuck ya and fuck the niggas that love ya. I come to wreck shit, eat them for breakfast. I'm young and reckless.